Hello, I'm Raan, your Amazon virtual assistant. In this video, let me show you a walkthrough on how to create a product listing and optimize it at the same time. We are done with product research and supplier sourcing. Now it's time for the listing. Product listing is a process of optimizing your listings to increase traffic and conversion. It is one of the most personal tactics to keep your product on top. As a result, the success of your products on Amazon is determined by the design listing. So what does a product listing do? First, it initially places your products in the top search results based on their relevance. Next, it boosts conversions and sales by increasing traffic to your listing. You must achieve both with product listing. You must succeed in the major components of the product listing in order to be successful. And double check that everything is in order, from the product title to the bullet point, images, and back-end keywords. But how can we achieve that? First, we must choose a keyword by utilizing either Helium-10, Unicorn Smasher, Jungle Scout, and more keyword tools. We will use the Helium-10 to find the top 5 products with the best reviews in the top 5 categories. So here's the step-by-step process I did in optimizing my product listing. This is where keyword research comes in. I determined the most relevant keyword. I set the search volume to a minimum of 300 and the match type to organic. We will obtain the top 5 competitors after determining the keywords. And then I import each CSV file into Google Sheets. Finally, I merge all of the competitors' keywords, delete duplicates and common words. Now, here's the screenshot of sample accumulated keywords, which we were able to extract from Cerebro and which contain the relevant keywords. Now, we can go to Amazon Seller Central and create a listing. Make sure to use at least 200 characters for the title. To separate the terms in your title, you can use bashes or pipes. This makes things less difficult and easier to understand. Variations can also be included. If your product title is clickable, it should be appropriate for the target market. The first letter of each word in your product title should be capitalized as well. Rather than spelling out numbers, utilize numeric values spell out measurement like pounds, inch, feet, etc. Now, consider the following example of a product listing title. Let's move on to bullet points now. Bullet points are now an important feature of the Amazon product listing. There are 5 bullet points that explain the product's primary features, also known as highlights. Features and benefits. They make reading easier by reducing the amount of text on the page. Also, delivering people bite-sized bits of information to help them make a buying decision. Also, each bullet should have maximum of 200 characters. It's also important to indicate the product size or weight, especially if it's a bullet points from the customer's perspective. After all, it's all about persuading them to buy your product. On an Amazon product page, correct bullet points can be located right next to the image. Here's an example of a product bullet points. Now, for the Amazon product description, one of the most important aspects of Amazon product listing optimization is this. So, let's use the 2000 character limit to provide descriptive and informative information. We should also capitalize the first letter of every line we write to show them why they should buy your product. Should also not use time-sensitive or subjective terms like hot selling this year, great value, and etc. Product description also plays a vital role in Amazon search rankings and conversions. Take a look at this example of product description. Now, let's go to the images. Here are some examples of images that you will encounter on Amazon. Images should have a white backdrop and have a resolution of 1000 megapixels or higher. To make the most of limited number of images available, including the main image, infographics, and lifestyle photographs. Let's talk about back-end keywords. What exactly are back-end keywords? The terms you add to your listings that stay unnoticed are known as back-end keywords. When you log into Seller Central, you put them in a separate section that only you can see. They don't count towards your product indexing, but they do. Now that you're almost done, quickly list your first product on Amazon. And let's collaborate once more. Again, I'm Roan, your Amazon virtual assistant. Thank you and good luck.